Okay, guys, welcome back. Welcome back to ClaysX Scholarship. If you're new, please subscribe. This is the channel that shares a lot more of scholarship, which we wish you guys can enjoy from and then do whatever you prefer is the best option with us. So, thank you. Let's go to talk about UNESCO Poland co-sponsored scholarship. So, this is the scholarship in engineering for 2025 edition. So, let's try to look at. Here are some useful links for you guys to just make sure you know what are the proposal, the terms and conditions, and some states that are invited to be part of the program. But briefly, they say here they are promoting human resource capacity in developing countries and also trying to enhance international understanding and friendship among nations and people. So through that, they want to have this UNESCO chair for science and technology and engineering, and Poland, they are proposing 28 fellowships for the benefits of the number of development members. So these are some invited members. It comes Angola, Burkina Faso, Cape Verde, and all of these. Mozambique comes here as well. Arab state, Latin American, Caribbean. So the duration of the program, the fellowship will last between 6 months and take place in the University of Krakow, UNESCO. Qualification required. Okay. Candidates should refer to the annex to see the stuff that are required. How to apply. Number one, you need to read the terms and conditions first, and then list of field and research project titles or as determined by the Polish authorities. Number two, you need to contact the National Commission for UNESCO of your country, which you can check right here. We will open to just see. Step three, prepare your application, including following supporting documents to the National Commission of your country. The application form is probably 4 pages, duly completed in English and capital letters. Copy of your passport, a copy of your identity photo of the applicant, certified copies in English of bachelor's, master's degree, or PhD degree obtained with the apostille of authorized by competent authorities. For countries that do not recognize the apostille legalization, the above document in the country is in issues are required. Certificate of language knowledge duly completed by a relevant authority in the mother tongue or candidate is not English. Okay, 2 letters of recommendation from people familiar with the candidate's work confirming their qualification dated 2025 year, which should be this year. You needed to submit your application with the supporting documents mentioned above to the National Commission of UNESCO in your country, according to what we will see as a commissions. Step 5. As soon as you informed country endorsed and nominated, only applicants endorsed by the National Commission will be accepted. Okay, that's the only way you can apply for that. Due to the national individual applicants will not be accepted. Okay, it has to be the commission. The deadline should be Monday, 12th of May. You still have probably almost a month. So what are the benefits? Free tuition for 6 months and access to the university facility based on the local regulations. A monthly exception of 1,800 Poland for bachelor's degree, and for masters will be 2,200. Okay. A one-time special allowance, travel expenses, health insurance, visa, all are part of the benefits. So you guys can apply for this. You should enjoy it. So before I will just try to open the terms and conditions. They are here. You need to read all of these before you start your application. That will be very, very much necessary. Okay. Okay, the letters. Mm-hmm. Okay. Down here we have the commissions by country. Very much important. All the countries, you just need to check them here, and the email is here as well. Really important for you to follow all of this. Okay. So this was just a quick video to share this opportunity for you guys, and more details you can just find them. Remember to subscribe to this channel so we can continue to offer you a lot more of information that you might like. So thank you so much. This is Klizek. I wish to see you next time. Bye bye.